This is Nathan Mills. Not even 2 yet, he's battling an aggressive form of a rare cancer.
It is as difficult as it gets.
He's been undergoing bone marrow transplant at Children's Hospital since March. I spoke with the man leading his treatment on Monday.
They are some of the best people I've ever met. They are the trials and tribulations just of having cancer is monumental. And they're kind and they're gentle and they're loving.
But Dr. Chris Dandoy didn't reach out to us just to share Nathan's story. While his family navigates intensive care and mounting medical bills, they now face the tragedy of losing their home. This is what it looks like, one of the dozens of buildings destroyed in Laurel County, Kentucky, Friday night. Nathan, his mom, and baby brother were all out of harm's way. They were here at the hospital, but his dad and older brother were at home, ducking for cover when the tornado went right over them.
It's like straight out of a movie. Dad put the teenager in the bathtub and laid on top of him in the bathtub, and then their roof got pulled.
Dandoy says thankfully, dad and brother are okay. They drove up to Cincinnati to reunite with the rest of the family over the weekend.
They said, at least we have our family, we're together.
Dandoy says when he heard the Mills lost their home, he wanted to help. He contacted the Dragonfly Foundation, which works with pediatric cancer families. A team stopped by the hospital with supplies for the Mills. Dandoy says he paid them a visit Sunday, too. How do you hope the community can step up for this family?
Help on GoFundMe. So hopefully our community in Cincinnati and through Kentucky can help get them back on their feet.
In Cincinnati, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.